Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the Triple Captain in Premier Fantasy League. Triple Captain is a feature which, when activated, scores that have been scored by the captain of the team give you more points than usual. To use that, click on the Fantasy tab, then select Pick Team. You can see the Triple Captain button at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, it will also explain the features that what it does. Confirm it and it will be activated. While it is active, your captain's points will be tripled instead of doubled. This feature lasts for one game week, but you can always cancel it before it is used. To cancel, click the button once again and select the OK button. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.